How to change text style on Snapchat. To change text style on Snapchat, first of all, launch the application itself on your device. Now, once you're here within the main camera page or camera view, you simply have to record a video or take a photo by tapping on the shutter button from the bottom center, or you can also choose any media from the Memories tab. Now, once you're here within the editing panel, tap on this T icon on the top right corner. From here, you simply have to type in your caption. You'll find this options over here right above your keyboard. You simply have to slide towards your left and right to search or select your desired choice. Once you find yourself that exact text style that you want to use, you simply have to leave it as it is, and then proceed to type in your message or caption and tap on the center of the screen. Now you can move this and place it anywhere on your photo. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.